Welcome to our series of lesson ideas for music educators. Learn how to make the most out of Flat 4 education to create engaging lessons. If you haven't tried Flat 4 education yet, what are you waiting for? Unlock your education superpower by signing up now and get a 3-month free trial. Today, let's talk about scales. The skeleton of music. Many people might think that there are only 2 scales, major and minor, but there are actually hundreds of possible scales. Flat 4 education offers a variety of ways in which you can teach scales to your students. In this video, we'll share one example using the worksheet and 2 examples using the composition assignment feature. But first, can you subscribe to our channel? We would greatly appreciate it. Worksheets. Scale recognition and construction. Our customizable and auto-graded music theory worksheets are a great tool to quickly assess your students' performance. All you need to do is to create a new worksheet assignment and select the different questions you are interested in. You can choose between scale recognition and scale construction exercises. Of course, for every question, you can customize the clef, keys, and modes, making the overall assignment as specific as needed. Our composition assignments can come in handy to evaluate your students' understanding of scales. Exercise 1. Find the mistakes. Create a new composition assignment using a template score. You can limit the toolsets if desired and link any relevant material in the description. Here, your students will be prompted to correct the mistakes. Depending on the scale, there are 1 or 2 mistakes. Exercise 2. Finding chromatic scales in a melody. This assignment might be better suited for students with a little more experience, but can be adapted in many ways. Create a new composition assignment using a template score. Here, we would suggest locking the template to avoid any accidental edits. Ask your students to find 4 successive notes in the right-hand part that belong to a chromatic scale. Then, they'll have to find 5 successive notes in the left hand that belong to a chromatic scale. How do you teach scales to your students? Is there a fun activity you've tried that you'd like to share with us? Don't be shy. Comment below. I'm sure this information will help other teachers. As always, we are here for you if you have any questions.